Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's HO Railroad. It's been a while since I did a video. I did a lot of extra work and I expanded my layout. I added an outside passenger train. Rail goes all the way around. And this layout's probably about 8 by 10 overall. Over here's the new passenger station. I added this little bit of a tunnel here. And here's my Athearn Via Rail P42 diesel engine. Found these nice European style houses made in Germany, painted them up. This is part of the Atlas train station kit. Added this water feature. This area here was existing. I put this bridge in for the passenger rail. This section over here. And the outside of it I put the fascia on, and I wanted to curve everything except for this section over here. Thought it looked pretty nice. Then I added this remote controller over here. Forgive my video, it's a little wiggly. I'm trying to hold the controller and film. So this new addition took me about 2 months. about it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for subscribing to Mike's HO Railroad channel.